What does your développé à la seconde look like? Here are the 6 most common mistakes dancers make and how to correct them. Mistake 1. Lack of turnout in the supporting leg. This often stems from tightness in the internal or medial rotators of the hip. Key muscles involved include the adductors, gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, and medial hamstrings. Flexibility and strength are interrelated. If a dancer lacks flexibility in the medial rotators, they also lack strength in the lateral rotators, for example, the deep 6 rotators and gluteus maximus. For dancers struggling with turnout, working on the EasyFlexibility targeted hip turnout program can develop both strength and flexibility to achieve and maintain proper turnout. If you are struggling with your turnout, whether you're aiming for a deeper range or more control, our EasyFlexibility Ballet Turnout program is here to help. This program is designed specifically for dancers to increase turnout flexibility safely and effectively, strengthen the muscles that support proper turnout, improve control and alignment for cleaner, more polished movements. Using proven science-based techniques, you'll target key muscles like the deep 6 lateral rotators and adductors, all while avoiding strain and overuse. Thousands of dancers worldwide have transformed their technique with this program, and you can too. If you are ready to take your turnout to the next level, click on the link in the comments below to try a free step-by-step exercise to help you with your turnout today. Mistake number 2. Lifting the leg forward instead of to the side. The leg should abduct at the hip, meaning move out to the side, and not flex, meaning move forward. Tight horizontal adductors or weak horizontal abductors and extensors can limit the ability to lift the leg laterally. If flexibility is present but strength is lacking, dancers often need assistance to lift their leg correctly. Gravity complicates the balance between the muscles that control the leg's movement and those that initiate it. Our Développé à la Seconde online on-demand video training program focuses on improving the balance between strength and flexibility, allowing proper lateral leg extension. If you are struggling to get that high, graceful extension in your Développé à la Seconde, then our EasyFlexibility Développé à la Seconde program is for you. Designed to help dancers like you, our programs helps to increase flexibility and strength for stunning extensions. Target key muscles like the hip flexors, glutes, and adductors to support proper alignment and height. Improve control and stability for effortless, balanced movements. This program uses innovative, science-backed techniques to help you safely and effectively enhance your développé without strain or risk of injury. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced dancer, this program is tailored for all levels to achieve noticeable results. If you are ready to elevate your développé, click on the link in the comments below to try a free, step-by-step exercise to help you with your développé today. Mistake number 3. Uneven pelvis. Many dancers struggle to keep their pelvis level while lifting the leg high. An uneven pelvis often occurs because the working leg cannot lift further without pelvic compensation. Flexibility in the hamstrings and lower adductors, medial hamstrings and lateral adductors, is crucial, but short-range strength is often the bigger challenge. Muscles are weakest in their fully contracted position, requiring specific techniques to strengthen them in this range. Our Développé à la Seconde program online on-demand video training program offers techniques to build short-range strength, aiding in smoother, more even développé execution. Mistake number 4. Opening the leg too soon. This happens when the muscles that flex the knee tire, leading dancers to compensate by opening the leg prematurely. Tight quadriceps can exacerbate the problem but are rarely the root issue. Strength in the flexors of the knee at short ranges is essential for maintaining control and proper alignment during the movement. Working on short-range strength through programs like our Développé à la Seconde on-demand video training program not only improves technique, but also enhances the visual appeal of the movement. Mistake number 5. Hips shifting back as the torso leans forward. Tightness in the hip flexors and adductors, combined with weak posterior muscles, often causes this imbalance. Gravity does not assist in keeping the hips aligned, making flexibility the primary concern. For most dancers, focusing on flexibility more so than strength will prevent the hips from shifting. Our Développé à la Seconde online on-demand video training program specifically targets this issue, promoting balance and proper alignment. Mistake number 6, improper foot position. Maintaining proper foot position can be difficult as focus shifts to higher leg extensions. Even with strong and flexible feet, dancers often lose control of their foot positioning when other parts of the body compensate. Developing foot and ankle strength and flexibility is important, but achieving a proper foot position in a lower extension first is key. Programs such as the EasyFlexibility Foot and Ankle Program and Développé à la Seconde program ensure proper alignment and control throughout the movement. Elevate your Développé à la Seconde to perfection. If you are dreaming of a stunning, high and controlled Développé à la Seconde, then our Développé à la Seconde program will help you achieve the height, strength and grace you've always wanted. With our program, you will achieve effortless leg height and extension, improved hip flexibility and turnout, enhanced strength for smooth, controlled movements, balanced alignment with a level pelvis. This program is tailored to dancers of all levels, addressing common challenges like uneven pelvis, improper alignment, and limited range of motion. Using cutting-edge techniques, it strengthens the necessary muscles and enhances flexibility, ensuring your Developpé is not only beautiful, but also injury-free. Our program works because by focusing on the biomechanics of dance, this program combines flexibility exercises with strength-building techniques to target the exact muscles you need for a flawless Développé à la Seconde. For more information about this program and to download your free 5 Gems of Flexibility guide, please visit EasyFlexibility.com.